Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to EVS class of Standard 3. In today's session, you're going to learn about a new lesson, our sense organs. Let us move on to this session and get to know what are the objectives you will be learning from this lesson. Identify the parts of body, identify the sense organs, functions of sense organ, and understand the need of cleanliness and protection of sense organs. Now let us move on to the session. Open your textbook, students. Page number is 86. Lesson 10, our sense organ. The teacher of class 3 was on leave. Students were making lot of noise. So if teachers are not there, the students will make noise, right students? So like that, the students of class 3 was also making noise. One of the teacher came to the class to stop the noise. He asked the students to identify the parts of the body. So one of the teacher from the school entered into class 3 and asked them to stop the noise. And he asked the students to identify the parts of body. You have already identified the parts of body in class 2. With your friends, identify the parts of body given in the picture. Now he is giving the work to the children to make silent and also to learn new things like identifying the parts of the body with the help of their friends by seeing this picture. So what is this, children? Head. This is nose. This is mouth. This is eyes. And this is ears, this is neck, this is finger, this is hand, this is leg, and this is toe. You have got to know the parts of the body. Now let us get to know what are the sense organs of our body. You have identified the parts of body, haven't you? Now sit down silently, write here what you have observed or experienced. For example, we see the book through our eyes, we hear the information that your teacher gives through ears, and you smell the fragrance of flower through your nose. You feel the taste of food by your tongue. You feel the heat or cold through your skin. Like that, here is also example. For example, the fragrance of flower, the sound of bus, sight of kitchen, garden. Like this they have given. So through which part of your body do you identify all such kind of senses? How did you get these experiences? Which organ helped you to experience them? Write in the space. So you're going to write first the different type of things that you see, you feel in the given space, and through which organ do you sense. You're going to write it here. Here are the sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the skin. These are the sense organs through which we can feel, smell, and hear, or also we can see through the sense organs. Now let us get to know about them in detail.
I love hot chocolate. Look at this butterfly. It's so colorful. Can you hear the birds sing? Yes. What a sweet sound. Ah! The hot chocolate burnt my hand. Oh, be careful. Come, let's eat now. I can smell some yummy food. Oh no, this paratha is too salty. Here, have some sweet cake. Thanks, Jia. That was a nice picnic. We used our sense organs to know different things. Which sense organ helped Pasha feel the hot chocolate? Our skin helps us to feel hot or cold. Which sense organ did Pasha use to taste the salty paratha? Click the correct sense organ. The tongue helps us to taste the food. Which sense organ did I use to smell the yummy food? The nose helps us to smell. Which sense organ helped us to see the colorful butterfly? The eyes help us to see everything. Which sense organ did Pasha use to hear the birds sing? The ears help us to hear.
You have got to know about the different sense organ. Now let us get to know about them in detail. Eyes is the very sensitive part in our body. If something enters into our eye, we should not rub it. We have to take care of the eyes, and we have to be careful when something goes into our eyes. We have to clean with the water, and immediately you have to consult the doctor. Let us get to know how to take care of the eyes by watching this video.
Ouch! Something just went into my eye. Please do something, Aisha.
Jia, wait! Don't rub your eye. Let me have a look. Here, I'll clean your eye with my handkerchief.
Thanks, Aisha. But why did you stop me from rubbing my eye to remove the dirt?
The eyes are very delicate, Jia. Rubbing the eye to remove dirt can cause damage to the eye. Bathe your eyes in a palm full of water.
Now you have got to know what you have to do when something enters into your eye. So when next time something enters into your eye, you should not rub with your hand. You have to wash it with the clean water. Now let us get to know the other sense organ. Ears. Ears give us a sense of sound. Now produce different sounds like ringing the bell, cry of a bird, blowing a whistle, or etc. So you can easily recognize the sound, and also you can identify from which way you get the sound also. The ears help us to hear the different kind of sound, and also it helps us to recognize what kind of sound it is. Such kind of an organ has to be protected. Now let us watch the video and get to know how to protect the ear.
What about the ears and nose, Aisha? My little brother keeps picking up beads and other things and putting them in his ears and nose and mouth.
When something gets stuck in the ear, do not try to remove it using sharp objects such as hairpins or pencils. You may cause damage to the eardrum.
Too much of sound can hurt your eardrums. If you use a pencil or a pin to clean your ears, it will damage your eardrums. When you have any problem in your ear, you have to visit the ENT specialist, and the doctor will give you the solution for your problem. So in this way you can protect your ears. And also one more thing, you should not use too much of headphones. Why? Because your eardrums is a thin line where it can get easily damaged. So take care of your ears by avoiding too much of sound and putting the things into your ears. So this is all about today's session, children. In next session you will be getting to know about the other sense organs, nose and tongue, and also you will be getting to know how to take care of the other sense organ.